WeChat update. Passkey support for iOS community outside China. WeChat has introduced Passkey support for its iOS app outside China, letting users sign into app using Face ID, Touch ID, or their device passcode instead of traditional passwords. Passkey provides improved security by reducing common threats to traditional passwords like phishing attacks and credential theft. Since authentication occurs directly on the user's device using biometric data or their device passcode, there are no passwords to compromise or intercept. If you want to set up a passkey, WeChat users require an iPhone or iPad running iOS 16, iPad OS 16, or later with iCloud Keychain and two-factor authentication enabled for their Apple account. Users can turn on the feature through WeChat's account and security settings. On the other hand, WeChat joined a growing list of significant platforms that have adopted passkey technology, such as Google, PayPal, Microsoft, and TikTok. However, the feature is currently limited to users outside of China, and it's still under wraps if the domestic Chinese version will be released or not.